Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 Forbidden City Edition. It's also known as the Mi Mix 3 Palace Museum Edition. Palace Museum and Forbidden City are the same thing in China. So I got a slipcover here first. I'll remove that. It just says Mix on the front. And there's just, basic information there. So the box has the golden or the gilded lion, and it says Mix there, and then it has the Palace Museum and what probably says the Palace Museum in Chinese characters. I don't know. Nothing else on the box. And there it is. So very nice. Right off the bat, you can see me in the reflection there. It's a ceramic back, very reflective. You can see it has the gilded lion right there. It says Mix by Xiaomi. And on the front, well, we'll get to this in a second here. Just want to go through the rest of the box first, because there is quite a bit of information in here. So here there's some information. Just pull this out like that. Whoop. So I guess this is more information about the phone and why this is a special edition. This is the main palace, I believe, inside the Forbidden City. Some more information I don't understand here, but I think that 24K to 24 karat is going to refer to some stuff that's in here. Little bag. And then the gilded lion statue, which is actually pretty heavy. I believe it's gold plated, but it is a bronze statue. See, it says Mix 3 there. I think maybe the first two characters are for Xiaomi. I'm not really sure. Very, very cool. This is actually my second time seeing this statue. This is my second statue. I'll get more into that later. I'm gonna put this off to the side. So this comes out, and this is one of the few phones that actually comes with a wireless charger these days. USB-C, 10-watt wireless charger, and I just got a huge whiff of new electronic smell. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever smelled that. This is Xiaomi's quick charge power adapter, which doesn't have the safety holes that you see in most American adapters, which is interesting. I'm probably not going to use this, to be honest, or the wireless charger that it came with, because I have my own. This is the USB-C cable. And this, I believe, does come out. So again, one of the few phones out there that comes with a case. So it's pretty cool. It has the gilded lion. Okay, and this should just be more information. Oh, okay, so there's a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which is cool. I'm probably never going to use that. A SIM ejector tool, which I will need to use. So interestingly enough, these come with a SIM card. Don't think I can actually use this SIM card. This is a dual SIM phone, so maybe I'll just stick it in there for fun. I don't know. But that is pretty cool that it comes with that. I don't know why. Maybe someone that knows more about the Chinese market phones can tell me why it comes with a SIM card. This, it looks like it's some warranty information, perhaps. I'm not really sure. It's almost like a credit card plastic. There is, looks like some more warranty information or something. I'm not sure. Here is some more information about the Forbidden City or the Palace Museum. Some of the ceramic art that I guess is featured there and inspired this phone. That's neat. And then the only other thing is information about the wireless charger, which I don't care about. So I'm gonna stick all this back in the box for now. And let's unwrap the phone itself. I have no fingernails, so this is a little tricky. Oh, that is for, wow, that is a really solid mechanical click sound that you get there. That's really nice. So let's see, we have the USB-C, obviously, and this side is going to be microphone most likely, and that's a speaker. Obviously the front firing earpiece is here, and it's actually behind the screen, and this is just a pass-through right here, so you can still use it when it's closed, obviously. There's the, I guess, three, I don't know if this is 3 cameras. I think it's 2 cameras and a sensor. It looks like this is a 24 megapixel shooter. Yeah, it's a dual camera, so the other one is just sensors. And then back here you obviously have the regular camera, the telephoto, and the flash. I don't know if that's the right order. And then here's the fingerprint reader. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Hopefully there's a charge, and there is. This will probably take a while. Oh, there it is. MIUI 10. And we are going to select English. And oh, let me add my network credentials. Okay. Terms and conditions. Checking for SIP. We're going to skip that step. Looks like it may want me to insert my SIM card, so hold on one sec, guys. Okay, so while I have this here, let's compare the original Mi Mix to the Mi Mix 3. It looks like they're about the same height. The Mi Mix 1 may be a little bit taller. I'm not really sure. Obviously, the Mi Mix 1 is going to be wider. These phones are obviously glass on the front and ceramic on the back, so definitely fingerprint magnets. Both great phones, great design, but this phone is now going on, I want to say, 3+ years old, and I've had it for over 2.5 years, so it's definitely time for an upgrade. This phone is less than a year old. I just sort of, did you hear that? Very cool. This phone, less than a year old, but it has the same 256 gigs of storage, which is perfect for me at the moment. And this has 10 gigs of RAM, whereas this has 6 gigs, and obviously this has a much newer SoC. So I'm going to go ahead and use the SIM ejection tool. Boy, I hope that's actually the SIM ejection area. I just sort of stuck my... Oh yeah, it definitely is. Okay. Gotta be careful that that's not a microphone or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and eject the one on the Mi Mix 1. Interesting, so this is split and this isn't. Oh, it is, it's just split in a different way. So this should go right here, I think. Or maybe the other way. It's tough with these tiny SIM cards. Yeah, that fits in there. Oop, don't want to put that in backwards. Okay, check again. We are not going to sync to the Mi Cloud. Don't use Mi Cloud. Mi account. Let's skip this for now. We're going to use fingerprint. So add a fingerprint. I'm going to put my PIN in. And we're going to set up the fingerprint. Okay. So there is an AI button on here that I think can be remapped, but I'm not sure. We're not going to do that now. We're not going to do the user experience program. We are not going to send diagnostic data. We're not going to update automatically. And definitely no personalized ads. So we're going to, I think, stick with the default theme for now. And we want to use the gestures because that's what I'm used to. Oh, it's going to make me go through these. Literally just the same gestures from my current Mi Mix. All right, so here we go. Already I have a text message and Chinese calendar right now. I still have to fiddle with the settings. Overall, seems very snappy, as expected with a brand new phone. I'm sure it's still setting up plenty of stuff in the background. So, pretty cool. I'm gonna see if I can see on my current Mi Mix. There's a settings toggle button up here where I can actually go to the full settings. So it looks like that has moved. So I'm just gonna go here. And I think there should be, there we go. There is some sort of lock screen setting, which I thought was very cool. I'll have to figure it out later. But yeah, so far, very cool. Obviously, since this is, I'm used to that being how I get to my apps, but I forgot on MIUI 10, all your apps are default here. So since this is a Chinese Xiaomi phone, it doesn't come with Google Play installed, so I have to download that APK and install it myself, which is not really a problem. But yeah, there you have it. That was the Mi Mix 3 unboxing. If you guys want to see anything else about this device as I smack it, let me know in the comments, and I will try to get that for you. Thanks, guys.